Oh, I'm not even pressing the right key. Oh, okay, there we go. And so today we're gonna be doing Alright, today we're gonna be building rebuilding a tank I had. It was a hover tank and it was pretty good, but it was really blocky. So I deleted it. It's not here anymore. So today we're gonna be remaking it. So if you want to make it, you can. So I'm gonna start it with three 1x7s. I'm gonna add one more to the side and follow back. I may make some mistakes because I don't know what I'm building. I'm just pre-building basically. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a bit. I'm gonna try to hurry this up because it's already 1 minute and I haven't got much done. So I might need. Oh yeah, I can do part 2s and stuff. I'm smart. Anyways, so let's not waste any time, shall we? That's centered. The only good thing I did on the thing was the door. The door is like really well made. We're gonna get a 0.9, have the arrow facing up, and having it go to the left side, and place that here. And then do the same thing here and here. And what you want to do is get your motor you choose. You can put it this way, or you can put it this way. It doesn't really matter. I prefer this way because it looks better, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, we'll customize that later. Actually, no, we can do that now. I'm gonna put this up and down. Put this down, up. Yeah. That's how you're supposed to do it. It'll be the same thing, but yeah. So now I'm gonna work on this part. We're gonna go to wedges. Just use a normal wedge, I guess. Alright, then you can go ahead and grab one of these. Oh yeah, I suggest make sure this arrow is facing up to the right. I suggest having that thing like this so it doesn't get involved with the motor. You'll see why. Okay. Whoops, don't do that. Box 1x7. Put that here, put this here. I'm sorry if I'm a little quiet, I'm just trying to get this done quickly. Have the arrow facing up, turn that way. Yeah, just look where the arrow is. Oh god, yeah, that's gonna get stuck. How can I fix that? I'll figure that out later. That works. That works. Okay, there we go. This is already starting to look like crap. Oops, can't be sweat. No, I'm playing. You can apparently swear in YouTube or whatever. You don't have to make it kid friendly because the app says you have to be 13 plus. That's also why there's a YouTube Kids, and yeah, so we don't need to be. Okay, whoops, sorry for that. Alright. I just noticed, I took a look at the recording, I had noticed that I'm speaking so quietly, so I'm gonna be speaking up a bit, so. Why am I saying so much? Someone down below, comment down below how many times I said so. Last time someone said something like that, they did nothing like that. Anyways, I'm gonna clean this up over here. That works. I could just do this, I'm smart. Yep, 10 out of 10 IQ, excuse me. Oops, I just said it once, I don't need to say it twice. Is that a JoJo reference? Sure is. Yeah. anyways, can this, yeah, you, yep, yep, there we go. You know what we can do after this? You know what, we can't do anything after that. No, we can't do anything after that. Can you go this way? Ah, crap. To rotate, I could have just done YY, but that wouldn't work. Now this is the interesting part, everyone. So hold on to your buns and not fall. I don't know how the saying goes, so don't judge me. Okay, maybe you can judge me. How does this look? Looks retarded. Huh. I have a way to clean it up. Half wedge. Me, I have a way to clean it up. Uses the same thing I've been using. Damn. I see. Legit. Oh crap, what? This is ugly. What is... Is this even a tank anymore? This isn't a tank anymore. I'll turn it into a tank. Alright. Okay, let's get the buttons out over here. Oh, oopsies. Oops the daisies. Alright, maybe I can clean it up. I'm not lazy. I'll never be lazy. Can I pet you like this? No, you look stupid like that. Let me get the one and only thing that works for everything. These. Oh yeah, I needed that. Hey there, Mr. Blue. Oh, I'm gonna get copyrighted, oops. YouTube was a mistake. It was a mistake, trust me. It was a mistake. It's stuck in my head. I can't get it out, alright? I can't. It's stuck in my head. It's like full and stuck. Alright, so oh yeah, I should be saying what I'm building, so you all know what I'm doing. Actually, you can see what I'm doing. You can what's it called? There's a little gear in the YouTube thing. If you click on it, well, that'll be basically the YouTube video settings. You click on that. You get stay on this video. Yep, stay on the video. There's a little the settings things at the bottom right of the screen, or phone. I don't know. I think that's top right. If you click on that, you can change it so it goes slower. But my voice will be 10 times crackier, and just no. Can I even? I can't even get out of here, can't I? Oh my, Alright, is it fixed? Yeah, it's fixed. What's his name? DJ. Blech. I almost said it again. I almost said it once again. But did I? No. This thing is still gonna be blocky. Wedges. don't think there's even a wedge fit for that. There probably is, and I'm just stupid. But did I ask anyone to yell at me? I bet those doors don't even work right there. I bet they just don't. They just will slowly die. Oh, I'm 10 minutes. I better. No, actually, what am I panicking for? I could just pick up part 2, and I'll post it at the same time. So it's yeah. Yeah. You know, yeah. Put it dead center of that room. Okay, the roof stayed on. Look at that. Look at that shine. Ready? Graphics carried 1030. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Alright. Look at that. Perfect. Hey, it works. If it works, it works. The thing is, can it close well? I need to fix that somehow, but how? How, you may ask? Well, the only reason how is Alright, so I opened, yep, now just close. Look at that, I'm a genius. Now, we just gotta work on the last part. Oh, quickly, how do we get out? Is that a wedge right there? It was, I don't want to fix the wedge. Wedges 2, no wedge. Half wedge. There we go. Let's go ahead. Let's put the tank head right here. My God, these things are messing me up. I guess no. If I do that, they will connect. I didn't even do the wheels yet. Oops. No, yeah, we got this is a hover tank. Alright, now we got this head on. It's gonna look ugly when it turns, but do I care at all? No. Make sure that yellow thing is facing the front, by the way. Now, we test. It don't go. Why can't it go up? Why does it want to be like this? Why does not want to turn? Well, turn up to look at me. You're in big trouble, man. Why don't you want to? Well, hopefully you will like a part 2 type videos where you can't do it. Is it first? Well, I'll be fixing this.